Meaning of hypertension.
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 Hypertension. Hypertension is a medical condition characterized by high blood pressure. This means that the force of blood against the walls of arteries is consistently higher than normal, which can put extra strain on the heart and lead to various health problems such as stroke, heart attack, heart failure, and kidney disease. Hypertension may be caused by genetics, lifestyle factors, such as diet, exercise, and smoking, or other underlying medical conditions. Treatment often includes lifestyle modifications, medication, and regular monitoring of blood pressure to reduce the risk of complications.